Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my fifth video of my React Native code, React Native or Expo tutorials. In this video, we will learn about the width and the height of any component or our device. So, I am removing this code from here. Here we can move this and also move this. First of all, I am making an view and making the second view, and fifth. Now I am giving some height and a bit to it, and style is equal to styles dot v1, and copy and pasting it. I am copying and pasting it here, or deleting this. 4 is enough. Now I am giving some height and width to these, and first of all v1, and height is 50 and width is 50, and background color is light blue. Okay, here you can see here is a div here is a view with the width and height of 50. I am increasing it and giving the height 100 height and 100 width. So now I am making the view styling of view 2, view 3, view 4, changing the name view 2, view 3, and also view 4. As we say, here is an error. Here is an error due to I did not put the now remove the error, but you can see there is a line, but we can't see the difference of 4 views. First of all, I will change the color. Second pink, and third is yellow, and here is red. As we say, you can see there is 4 views, and with 100 height and 100 width in all. So I will increasing the width 150, 200, and it's 250. As we say, you can see as you can see there is 4 views with different heights. You can see here is 150, 100, 200, and 250. This height vary on the device pixels or dimensions. Here is the emulator, and when you run this code on another device, these divs will be change, and height will change, and maybe it's behind this neighbor, or maybe it's will go out of this width, as I will put 550 here, as we can't judge where is the end of this view. So this is the height and the width of views. In next video we will In next video we will check the height and width in a responsive way. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Also share with your friends. Allah Hafiz.